Temperatures this morning hovered in the single digits, and some Northland students were left out in the frigid cold when their school bus wouldn't start.
And tonight, one of the boys' moms wants to know why she wasn't told about the delay. KMBC 9's Peggy Bright is live to tell us about this. Peggy?
Laura, Jessica Kirk sent her son out at 7 this morning to catch his bus, thinking he'd be waiting his usual length of time, less than 5 minutes. But when she was leaving to take her younger child to daycare around 7:30, she found her son and a friend of his still waiting at the entrance to her apartments, the Lakes. Jessica picked them both up, brought them breakfast since they missed their school breakfast, and called First Student Bus Company. The bus company told her she'd have to talk to someone else about her complaint. Jessica says she's alarmed that she didn't get notified of the problem.
Very frustrating to me as a parent because my child was out there for 30 minutes in 5-degree temperatures, and if I would have known that the bus was going to be late, I could have gone out and said, hey, why don't you guys come in, stay warm, and we'll try again in 15 minutes. I think they need to develop a better system to notify parents to get their children inside, out of the cold, and out from cars, dangerous situations.
Now, the Park Hill School District says they've been in touch with First Student, and they say there was a breakdown in the communication system this morning. They should have notified the parent. Now, they say they seem to be working hard to make sure it doesn't happen again. We tried reaching First Student ourselves with a call to its Cincinnati headquarters, but no one has called us back yet. Jessica left a message with the local office, and we just checked. She hasn't heard back from them yet either. Reporting live, Peggy Bright, KMBC 9 News.
And Jessica says it was 4 degrees outside her apartment this morning, and her 12-year-old son does not carry a phone to school.